Now we are continuing with the chapter probability. Some more problems on probability. Next problem. A letter is chosen. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the vowels. From the letters of vowels. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the word assassination. A double S A double S I N A T I O N assassination. Find the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel. The letter chosen is a vowel. Now solution. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the word assassination. Assassination. Word is assassination. A double S A double S I N A T I O N. Now one letter is chosen. Now number of vowels. So vowels are A I O. So they are 6 vowels. So number of vowels equal to 6 and number of total letters. So this is equal to 13. So number of vowels in the word assassination is 6 and number of total letters is 13. Therefore, P probability of vowel is equal to 6 by 30. So the probability is 6 by 30. Next problem. An insurance company selected insurance company selected 2000 drivers at random in a particular city to find the relationship between age and accidents. The data obtained are given in the following table. So the data obtained are given in the following table. This is the table. Now we have to find the probability that find the probability of the following events for a driver chosen at random from the city. First, being 18 to 29 years of age and having exactly three accidents in 1 year. Second, being 30 to 35 years, being 30 to 50 years of age and having one or more accidents in a year. One or more accidents in a year. Third, having no accident in 1 year. Having no accidents in 1 year. Now solution. Now first case, we have to find being 18 to 29 years of age and having exactly three accidents in 1 year. Being 18 to 29 years of age and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. Now, number of persons, total number of persons, this is equal to 2000. So number of persons 18 to 29 years of age and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. 3 accidents in 1 year. This is equal to 61. Therefore, P, probability of this event, will be equal to 61 upon 2000. 61 upon 2000, which is equal to 0.0305. Now in second case, we have to find being 30 to 50 years of age and having one or more accidents in a year. So number of persons 30 to 35 years of age, 30 to 50 years of age, and having one or more accident in a year. Accidents in a year. This is equal to 125 plus 60 plus 22 and plus 18. Now this is equal to 225. Therefore, probability equal to 225 upon 2000 equal to 0.1125. So this is the probability of number of persons 30 to 50 years of age and having one or more accident in a year. Now third case, having number of persons having no accident in a year, number of persons having no accidents in 1 year, this is equal to 440 plus 505 plus 360, this is equal to 1305. Therefore probability equal to 1305 upon 2000 equal to 0.6525. So this is the probability of a persons having no accident in a year. Next problem. A bag contains 5 Red Bulls, 5 Red Bulls, 8 White Bulls, 8 White Bulls, 4 Green Bulls, and 7 Black Bulls. If one ball is drawn at random, find the probability that it is first black, second not red, third green, and fourth neither white nor black. Now total number of balls in a bag, total number of possible events, this is equal to 5 red plus 8 white plus 4 green and 7 black balls. So this is equal to 24 balls. So total number of possible events equal to 24. Now first case we have to find that the ball drawn is black. So number of black balls, this is equal to 7. Therefore P, probability of black balls, this is equal to 7 upon 24. Now second case, not red, so number of balls which are not red, this is equal to 24 minus, so their number of red ball is 5, so 24 minus 5, this is equal to 19. Therefore P not red, this is equal to 19 upon 24. Third case, green, so total number of green balls, this is equal to 4. Therefore P green, this is equal to 4 by 24. Now this is equal to 1 by 6. And fourth case, neither white nor black. Neither white nor black. Total number of bows which are neither white nor black, which are neither white nor black, this is equal to 24 minus white bows is 8, so 24 minus 8, and nor black is 7, so 25 minus 15 is equal to 9. Therefore P, neither white nor black, neither white nor black, is equal to 9 upon 24. So this is equal to 3 by 8. Next problem. 50 seats were selected at random. From each of 5 bags of seeds. Each of 5 bags of seeds, and were kept under standardized conditions favorable to germination. After 20 days, the number of seeds which had germinated in each collection were counted and recorded as follows. Bag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of seeds germinated. So here 40, 48, 42, 39 and 41. Now we have to find what is the probability germination of first, more than 40 seeds in a bag. More than 40 seeds in a bag. Second, 49 seeds in a bag. 49 seeds in a bag. Third, more than 35 seeds in a bag. More than 35 seeds in a bag. Fourth, at least 40 seeds, at least 40 seeds in a bag, 40 seeds in a bag. Fifth, at most 40 seeds in a bag, at most 40 seeds in a bag. Now solution. So total number of bags is equal to 5. Total number of bags equal to 5. First case, more than 40 seeds in a bag. So number of bags which is more than 40 seeds, this is equal to 3. Therefore P more than 40 seeds, then 40 seeds, this is equal to 3 upon 5. Now second case, so the probability of having more than 40 seeds is equal to 3 by 5. Second, number of bags which is 49 seeds. So there is no bags there to have 49 seeds. So this will be the 0. Therefore P 49 seeds, this is equal to 0 upon 5. So the probability of having more than having 49 seeds in a bag is equal to 0. Now third case, more than 35 seeds in a bag. So number of bags which has more than 35 seeds. Now all bags are having more than 35 seeds. So number of bags is equal to 5. Therefore P more than 35 seeds more than 35 seeds, this is equal to 5 upon 5, which is equal to 1. Now fourth case, number of bags which is number of bags which is at least 40 seeds germinated, 40 seeds germinated, this is equal to 4. Therefore P at least 40 seeds, at least 40 seeds, this is equal to 4 upon 5. So the probability of having at least 40 seeds is equal to 4 upon 5. And last case, number of bags in which at most 40 seeds germinated, 40 seeds germinated, equal to 2. Therefore P at most 40 seeds, at most 40 seeds is equal to 2 upon 5.